In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple headers in Wix Studio. If you want to customize your website with various headers for different pages, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process together, making it simple and straightforward. So let's dive in. First, you need to start by opening your Wix Studio editor. This is your main workspace where you can oversee and manage how your website is built and customized. Once you're in there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, which is where you'll find the Layers panel. This panel is like a map of your current page elements, helping you locate and manage all your site's components efficiently. In the Layers panel, look for your existing header. By default, it's usually named Header, and it serves as the top section of your web page. The goal here is to replicate this structure so you can modify it for another page. To do this, you'll need to right-click on that existing header. When you do that, you'll see an option that says Duplicate. Go ahead and select it. This action will create a copy of your header, so now you have two headers in your site's structural hierarchy. Creating a duplicate is just the first step though. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to rename the new header. Think about what role this new header will play. For example, if it's designed for your home page, you might name it something like Header Home. Or if it's for a specific page like a sales page, you could name it Header Sales Page. Naming your headers allows you to easily identify which header belongs to which page, ensuring you stay organized and clear about each header's purpose. Now you have two distinct headers within your site structure. Congratulations! Each of them can be customized further, depending on your design preferences and the specific content that each page needs to communicate. Remember, having multiple headers gives your website flexibility and allows it to cater to diverse aesthetics or functional needs on different pages. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Creating multiple headers in Wix Studio doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you can effectively manage and customize your headers to enhance your website's look and functionality. Don't hesitate to play around with different styles and settings to achieve the best look for each page. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.